Welcome to a day in the life of, I was gonna say a single mom. Andrew's just out of town. I am by myself with the two boys, with the two dogs in our RV. We are in Boise, Idaho. Huge snowstorm last night and this morning, so I need to do some snow removal. We are at 16% propane, laundry, so much, too much. Living in a camper, it gets dirty so dang quick. The good news is because it's a small space, it can also be cleaned very quickly as well. Just to keep our sanity, we're gonna start with cleaning the camper. Back from outside. This one took a really quick nap. Kai squirted applesauce all over my sweater. Outside? From outside. I am trying to outside. I am trying to throw clothes on the boys to go outside and play in the snow. Hopefully get them tired. This one will definitely take another nap. Plan is to go outside.
And you dream about this very night. When the moon runs down the summer sky, could it be the morning of the spring? When the sea runs dry, we start to sing. Have you heard from the sky all about it?
So the campground that we're staying at, they have RV and trash service, which is incredible. So when our propane tanks run out, we just put them on the street. They pick them up, fill them up, and then just kind of put in a bill that we walk into the office and pay for it. Is that nice?
Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm offering a steady hand. I could be your security. There's no guarantee on anything.
It is the next day and it is unbelievably cold. Gosh, it is 5 degrees out right now, Fahrenheit. Here in Idaho right now, we are under a severe weather warning because of the wind chill and because of a huge snowstorm, the worst snowstorm of the season, while Andrew's gone, coming tonight and lasting through Friday. So today we are in full prep mode, making sure we got all the propane that we need. Trash is taken out. It is still a crazy ice skating rink outside, so hopefully some snowfall will kind of help mitigate that. The only truck right now that has the kids' car seats in it is our Sierra, and the tire pressure in the front tire is super low. Need to find the air pump that up, so just in case we have an emergency, that's ready to go. So much. So today is gonna be super fun. We're just prepping for the worst. Kona, do you wanna go outside?
There you go again, looking so handsome. Oh, you have your way, and it's making me weaken. You and your stylus, walking like that. It's really getting too much, but I can't pull back. Though I try to resist, I can't fight this. And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire.
If you live by snow and you have little kids, this was our first season investing in Kamik for the Kamik. So I had the adult version of these boots back in Alaska. They were amazing. They were rated for like -40, same as these boots. The mice got them in the garage. So sad. Still very salty about it. The kids version of them, they're super easy to slip on and off, rated again for -40 Fahrenheit. So both of our propane tanks were at a quarter full. Very alarming and painful for our wallets because the one I put on yesterday was full. With just last night how cold the temperatures got, it ate up 3/4 of a tank. Let that sink in. So which I think here it's $50 to fill up one of the tanks. Last night we had a weather alert because the temperatures were going to be so cold with like wind chills of -25. So expensive night for heating. Hopefully that's not going to be the case for the next few days because we have warmer weather, but more snow. We'll see. Anyways, just an awesome time for Andrew to be gone. It's a crap show.
Hey, Debbie.
We have a good mixture of like snow and rain coming down, which is just turning everything into slush, heavy slush. So just trying to shovel everything through. We already have a lot of ice around our camper from the first time it snowed and I didn't shovel well enough. Just trying to mitigate that. It's supposed to get down to like 20 degrees tonight. So any water on the ground is gonna freeze. Kai, are you gonna shovel? Yeah. Good job. It snowed so much more. It's still coming down, dang it. So Andrew will not be home for another 4-5 days, maybe more. Oh my gosh. His travel plans are not going as we hoped, not in the slightest. He was supposed to be gone in total. He had 2 trips back to back. Supposed to be gone for 4 or 5 days max, and it's now been a week and a half. This vlog might be longer than I anticipated. So we still have some things to button up tonight. One of the propane tanks is almost empty, so I need to switch that over. So in the middle of the night, it doesn't go empty and then the camper freezes. So gotta go outside and do that still. Just walk the dogs one last time. The Huskies have been loving the snow. It brings them back to their Alaska roots. So I've just been kind of like giving them extra long walks just so they can like literally just lay in the snow. Kona. Kona. Maverick, can you say Kona? Oh.
Here with you in our treetop view, where it takes me to when I was young. I fell before, but I can't ignore that it's nothing like I'm falling now. No, it's nothing like.
Okay, next day. Beautiful sunny blue sky day. Did all of our snow shoveling this morning. Oh, it feels so good to have nice weather and sunshine out. We are taking the boys out for a little vacation on the road because we've been cooped up for way too long. We are in Dad's truck, which is the Sierra, which is twice as big as the truck that I'm used to driving. So maybe not twice as big, but it feels that way. We need to get out of the house. The boys are going insane. I'm going insane. It's a beautiful day. It's above freezing temperatures, which hopefully all the ice on the road is not there anymore. Unfortunately, the next 2 days on the forecast, it's a mixture of snow and rain, which hopefully if it stays above freezing, not a big deal. We're gonna be driving around Idaho this morning, getting some more groceries, more drinking water. That was so overwhelming. Oh my gosh. So we got so many groceries, everything we needed. I love Trader Joe's because they always have such good prices. The egg situation here in Boise, it was 1 carton per customer. That was the first time that I've really seen like the impact of the egg shortage in person. It was so jam-packed. I understand it's a Saturday, but I've never seen a Trader Joe's or any kind of market that packed. It was probably a 35-minute wait just to get to the cashier. Boys did so good. Definitely opened some chocolate coins for them and just like one at a time, just try to get through a few minutes at a time. Whenever I go to Trader Joe's, I'm usually by myself with the boys, so I have like a whole other cart of groceries, and every time they're like, we're gonna walk you out. Like, doesn't matter what you say, we're gonna help you out. They walked all the way across the parking lot, helped me load everything up, like just took the carts back. As a parent that's like in public and overwhelmed and you're trying to get your groceries, little things like that are huge. It's so helpful and it's so appreciated.
And no one makes me feel like you do. And no one sets my body on fire. No one gives me shivers like you.
Cannot believe we're actually saying this. We're picking up Andrew from the airport in like 20 minutes. I'm so excited. It's happening like 2 days, 3 days sooner than we thought it would. Freaking deer. Okay, we're gonna walk the dogs for a little bit, pile in the car, and go see Dad. Go see Dad.